Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to make iPhone screen record with sound. Recording on an iPhone with sound is one of the best ways to capture your reaction, your voice, or background audio in real time, adding a unique twist to your video. And here are the clear steps to screen record on an iPhone with sound. First, make sure to unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Control Center. Tap Customize Control, or on US iPhone, just swipe from the top right corner, then tap and hold on an empty screen until the control center starts to jiggle. Now tap on the Add a Control. Find Screen Recording and tap the plus icon, or just tap on it to edit. Tap on the empty space, the save, and go to the screen you want to record. Swipe down from the top right corner on the Face ID or up from the bottom Home button to open Control Center. Locate the screen recording button, the solid circle inside the circle. Press and hold the screen record button, don't just tap it. Then tap the microphone icon to turn it on, and it will turn red. Then tap to start recording. Wait for the 3-second countdown to begin, and use your iPhone normally while it records screen and the sound. To stop recording, just tap the red status bar at the top or return to the control center and tap the record button. Then tap the stop. Your video will be automatically saved to the Photos app. Quick tips: microphone on is records your voice plus surroundings. Microphone off records only internal system sound if supported. Volume must not be muted for system sounds to record. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.